What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Inferno here, and I'm checking in once again with yet another tutorial. Yes sir. Okay, so we are going to be creating this social media ad, or this social media flyer. So it's going to be a quick one. So without much ado, let's hop into it. So we are going to create a new document. So control and then the width and the height should be 5 by 5 inches respectively, with the resolution of about 300. Okay, so this is what you are going to create exactly this. Okay, good. So you first going for rectangle, so you look for the rectangle to the whole shift and then click and drag to give it this. Okay, good. So you can, if you are using Photoshop 2022, you can just do it from here, okay, or do it in here. Okay, do it right in here, then you change the color to violet. Okay, good, or any color of what your preference, and then you create a new layer, Control Shift and then you press T for the text tool, and then you click and then you type 2. Okay, so you press Control Enter to make selection permanent, V for the move to bring text to the middle, press Control T for the transform bounding box, and then hold Alt and then increase the size of the text from any of those points. Okay, any of those points in the bounding box, on the bounding box. Okay, so position the 2 to your preference. Okay, then scale up again. Let's say you want it this way. Okay, I would like it this way, then you push. Okay, so scale it up again. Good. Then pull it downwards. Okay, pull it downwards. Good. Okay, so when you are done with that, hold Control, okay, and then click in the box for the rectangle. Okay, in the box or the thumbnail for the rectangle. Okay, not here but here. Okay, so click once. I think that was the wrong thing, so hold Control and click in the thumbnail of the 2. Okay, click there and the selection will be made, and then you release Control, so you hide it and then you click on the rectangle shape created, and then you click directly here on the layer mask. So we are going to get this. We don't want this. Okay, so press Ctrl I to embed, and then we are going to get this. Okay, then click anywhere outside the box to do it without shape outline. Good. So we are getting closer to what we want. Okay, good. So we are trying to achieve this. Okay, good. So bring in another text. So T for the text tool and then click. Okay, so this time around ND. Okay, good, and then press Ctrl T, press Ctrl Enter to make selection permanent, and then press D for the move to press Ctrl T and then scale down. Okay, scale down the size of the ND, bring it here, scale down the size of the ND again, and then position, just use the arrow keys. Okay, and then you can add shift if you want it to go fast for you. Okay, good. So you push it up. This is going to be more minimalistic. Okay, so we are not going to add a lot of element in here. Okay, good. So press Ctrl Enter to make selection permanent. Sorry, and then create a new layer on top of the rectangle. Okay, so Ctrl Shift N to create a new layer. We are going to say color 2. Okay, color underscore what 2. Then you click mask it. Okay, you click mask it. Okay, onto the the shape. So Ctrl or G to click mask, and then B for the brush to you click on the foreground color, and then you go in for yellow, and then you apply it here. Okay, apply it here, and apply another one to here. Okay, good. So this is what we have. Okay, good. So we are trying to achieve this. Okay, so we are going to duplicate the ND, then you bring it down. Okay, good, and then you press Ctrl Enter, then you press Ctrl E to select everything, and then you type Annie Sorry. Okay, then press Ctrl E to select all the text and then change the color to what this. Move, okay, or violet, and then scale it one down. Press Ctrl Enter to make selection permanent. Position it where you want. Press Ctrl T to bring the transform bounding box and then scale down. Okay, good. So you want it somewhere here. Okay, so scale down again. Ctrl Enter and then move. Okay, good. So we are getting closer. Okay, we are getting closer to this. Good. So you click on the ND, press Ctrl J to duplicate, then you press Ctrl T, okay, and then you scale up the size. Okay, scale up the size, press Ctrl Enter to do away with the bounding box. Bring it down. Okay, make sure that it is on top of the color layer and then click mask. Okay, so you see that it's going to fall right into our shape layer below. Okay, good. So you bring it down, okay, with the help of the move tool, okay. So when you are done, reduce the fill, okay, reduce the fill. Good. So reduce the fill to somewhere right here, and then add the layer mask. Okay. So press B for the brush to hold Alt, right click, and then drag your mouse to the right, okay. And then it will increase the brush size, and then switch from here, switch it to black, okay. Make the foreground one black. Reduce the opacity of the brush. Erase, I think, the very top, okay, of the end. So swap again, then bring some parts that have been erased that you want. Okay, bring them back. Okay. Good. So when you are done with this, press Ctrl Shift N to create a new layer. So name it what? Effect. Okay. Effect. Okay, then press Ctrl or G to click mask it on all of the rectangular layers. Okay, and then press N for the marquee tool, and then make sure that you are on the electrical marquee tool. Okay, and then hold Shift, drag, and then release Shift and leave, so that the ellipse becomes distorted. Okay, or becomes a distorted one. Okay, so you release, then you hold Alt, and then or you press Alt to first change this one, the foreground to what? White. Okay, because we need the effect to be in white color. Okay, then hold Alt and then press backspace to fill it with what? White, and reduce the fill. Okay, reduce the fill somewhere right here. So I want the effect to be more visible. Okay, so I want it somewhere around 25. So add the layer mask. Okay, so we are going to erase some part of the effect that we don't want. Okay, so basically we are going to do away with what? The top part. Okay, the apex of what? The effect. So switch to using X for the foreground and then the background color, and what? Apply. So do same here. Okay, good. So X to bring back. Okay, so click here and then drag over everything, and then press Ctrl T, and then scale everything what? Down. Okay, press Ctrl Enter to make selection permanent. Position. Okay, good. So it is too small, so we are going to increase it again. Let's increase it a bit more. Good. So good. So we have it what? This way. Okay, good. So we have it this way. Yeah, so we have it what? This way. Okay, good. And then you bring in the text. Okay, so make sure that you are on top of all the layers so that it doesn't interfere with our clip mask and all those kind of things. Okay, so come here and then select our text. It's just a dummy text. Okay, it's just a dummy text. Then bring it in. So hold Shift upon release so that it drags out exactly where it was. Okay, in the last or in the previous layer. And then let's go in for this one. So they are social media icons. Okay, so I decided to bring them into. So the handles are for the firm. Okay, so just hold Shift and then release. Okay, to place them at where you want. Okay, so to place them at their previous location. Okay, we don't want to be like moving them again. Okay, but you can experiment. Okay, so all these handles were downloaded via what? Google. Okay, so you can go to Google, search for WhatsApp icon logo PNG, or let's say Instagram logo PNG, and the same applies to Facebook. Okay, good. So let's bring in what this let's bring in the Telegram icon. So that one too was downloaded via online or via Google, and then you bring that of Instagram to inside. Okay, so basically this is the effect we are trying to achieve. Okay, good. So there's an anniversary flyer. So this is what we want to achieve. So it is a very minimal effect. Good. So after the various colors have been applied with the effect, you know that you are free to change it from any color to any color that you want. Okay, so right now we have yellow. Okay, so when we select the yellow and then we press Ctrl U to bring the hue and then saturation or dialog box. Okay, we can change it to any color that we want. Okay, so it can be green. Okay, and then the violet, we can click on the shape. So this is the violet shape. Okay, and as for the violet, we can change it from here, okay, to any color that we prefer, and it would still work for us. Okay, good. I said this tutorial was going to be a very short one, and then so that is it. So shalom, peace, thanks for having time, then we meet again.